Abraham and Isaac. Isaac, the foreshadow of Jesus. As a son, Abraham was supposed to sacrifice Isaac. And Isaac lay down there for his father to offer him. So if you are a son, you're going to offer yourself. Offer yourself. Offer your ambition. Offer your goals. But if God tell you that He doesn't call you to be a doctor, and it's a doctor you want to become. And from you as a child, the only thing your passion was becoming a doctor. But if He tells you that you have to give up something precious to your heart, and it's been your dream, what if He tell you that this is not the place that I have called you to be in destiny? And even though you love this place, but because you are a son, you have to give it up. Isaac showed it, and Jesus came and did it. If we are sons of God, we're going to offer our bodies as living sacrifice. Karando Silia Deva, Shekaranda. Because the life we live, it's not about what we want anymore. It's what about Christ demands from us. It's what about God demands from us. Katalande, Rasotarandi Adada Deva, Shelatana Namasia Teba. So the life of a real Christian, of a real child, a son of God, is not a life of change. It's a life of substitution. Christ died so that you can live. Shekarandi. So the things that Jesus would have done if He was here, you should be doing them. If Jesus was healing the sick, you should be healing the sick. If Jesus was feeding the poor, you should be feeding the poor. That is the life of a Christian. Not the convenient life. Not the convenient life. It's they that know their God, come into this knowledge of God, shall be strong and do exploits. And as we close off today, let us just pray for God to bring us into a deeper experience of knowing Him. A deeper relationship of knowing Him. Let us pray for God to bring us into the intimacy, so that we will be able to give up whatever He asks of us. So we will be able to deny ourselves. It only takes a son, a true son, to do the will of the Father. It's not. He said, if it is possible, let this cup pass. But not my will, but let thine will be done. Are you willing to say, let thine will be done? But if He tell you that this is not the job that is offering you $1 million, what He's saying, this is not the job that I want you to have. What if He's asking, but you are so mind bent? This is the life of a Christian. Nevertheless, let thine will. This is the life of someone that know Him. It's about knowing Him. It's not. So let us just pray.